Hola, mi nombre es Ramón Ascano, soy uno de los especialistas en mamíferos marinos aquí en Dolphin Discovery. Esto es PortoAventuras. El día de hoy estamos compartiendo una gran experiencia con la Universidad de Toronto gracias al ABC Animal Training. Mediante el conocimiento que tenemos nosotros como especialistas en Dolphin Discovery.
We are so proud and privileged that Dolphin Discovery allows us the opportunity to bring people from the public to learn not only about the science of operant conditioning, but also that we can promote animal welfare and education.
Les hemos enseñado lo que es motricidad, lo que es anatomía. Ellos han aprendido y han estado cerca de nuestros mamíferos marinos. Yo creo que no puedes saber realmente lo que tienes si no lo conoces.
So they get a chance to see the physiology in action, they get a chance to kind of touch and feel and get to see the eyes of these animals and make awesome personal connections with these animals. They go back home, they're never the same. And tell me what you feel.
What's cool about this course is that, you can learn all about the marine mammals in a textbook, but when you come here, you actually get to see everything you've learned in school applied naturally in their environment.
It's a great experiential opportunity for the students. This would not be possible anywhere else that I can think of.
Could not be possible without these guys and without Dolphin Discovery, because you know what? We all have the same goal in mind, which is to create a happy, healthy environment that all of us, including these great animals that we all love, can enjoy them as well.